prepared for an emergency situation is important. If you're on a tight budget like me, purchasing a ready-made emergency kit can be expensive. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can make your own emergency kit for your car using all Dollar Tree items. What's great about creating your own safety kit is you can customize it to meet your family's needs. Let's talk about the items I chose for my car safety kit. The items I chose for my kit is what works for me and my family. Everybody's different. So this is just to inspire you to create your own. Make sure to watch till the end of the video where I will have a list that you can screenshot with all kinds of ideas that you can use in your car kit. All of these items are from Dollar Tree. Keep in mind, of course, you can add items that are not from Dollar Tree. This is just for video purposes to show you the different types of items that you can get from Dollar Tree for your kit and save yourself a lot of money. If something happens to your vehicle and you're stuck on the side of the road for an extended period of time, you have no idea when you might be able to find some facilities. So I picked up 2 rolls of this individually wrapped toilet paper. These rolls are a really good size, and being that they're individually wrapped, I thought they would be perfect for a kit like this. I also picked up one of these doormats. If you have to get out of your vehicle and change a tire or do any type of repairs, this would be great to put down if the ground is wet, rocky, dirty. You could kneel on this and make the situation a lot more comfortable. I also picked up one of Dollar Tree's blue tarps. You could put this down on the ground as well if there were some repairs that needed to be done, or if there was something you needed to cover, if it was inclement weather. Either way, I'm sure there's something that this could be used for. Water is another important item to put in your car safety kit. Now, these water bottles aren't specifically from Dollar Tree, but Dollar Tree does carry all kinds of different size water bottles that you could put in your kit. Dollar Tree also carries these scraper tools, which would be great if it was inclement weather, there was snow on your windshield. You could use this to scrape off the snow. Dollar Tree also sells these rain ponchos as well. These are great if it's raining outside and you have to do repairs or you have to be out of your vehicle for any period of time. An emergency rain poncho would make things a lot more comfortable. If your vehicle breaks down at night, lighting is a really important thing to consider. I picked up some glow sticks for my safety kit just in case of emergency. They could light up the area around your vehicle, bring attention to your situation without using batteries or anything. So I thought these would be a great addition to my kit. Dollar Tree also has a number of different kinds of flashlights. So I picked up one for my kit. It also has LED lights and flashers, which I thought would be a great idea in an emergency situation. I also picked up some batteries for backup that go to my flashlight. Always important to have extras just in case you have an issue. Dollar Tree's gloves aren't the highest quality, but I did pick up this pair here that has some rubber backing. For one-time use, these would be fine for a kit like this. I also picked up some rope and some bungee cords. Now, I can't tell you at this moment what these could possibly be used for, but you never know, so I'm going to throw them in my kit. I also picked up these safety cones with the reflective tape. I picked up 2, you could pick up more, but I thought these would be great to draw attention to your situation, to let cars that are speeding by know that you are there and on the side of the road. I think these are a great addition to a car safety kit. I think it's important to have a first aid kit in your car as well. This one I made myself with all Dollar Tree items. You may recognize this bag. They always carry these. They carry them in the red or the black. So I picked up one of these because they have these pockets in the front and they have a really large pocket in the middle that can hold a lot of items. Now, of course, you can pick the items that would best fit your family's needs. This kit is made specifically for what I would need. I'll talk about a few of the items. Like I said, everything is from Dollar Tree. So I'll talk about a few of the items that I've got in my kit. I have got Band-Aids. I've got alcohol prep pads. I've got gauze pads. I also have some ibuprofen. I've got some ointment here like Neosporin, some scissors, more Band-Aids, some liquid skin, and then in the center pocket of the bag, I have latex gloves, I've got some wipes, some more gauze, some Kleenex, I've got some hand sanitizer, I've got some eye drops, I've also got cough drops. So again, you can create this kit to serve whatever your family's needs are, especially if you have someone with severe allergies like my son. He used to have an EpiPen, so we always made sure we had one in the car that would fit great in a kit like this. So this is just to give you some ideas on how you could create a first aid kit for your car. If you're on a budget, you don't have to skimp on safety. You can get a bulk of the items for your safety kit at Dollar Tree. You can also add other items. If you have little ones, you can add diapers, wipes, you can add extra socks, jackets, a couple blankets. You can add beanies, hats. You can add a phone backup charger. There's all kinds of items that you can get to customize your kit. But if you get a bulk of the items at Dollar Tree, you can save yourself a lot of money. Okay, guys, here's that list I promised you. Make sure to screenshot this before you make your car emergency kit. And if this video brought you some value and you enjoyed it, please make sure to drop me a like on the way out and make sure to subscribe for more Dollar Tree content. I post videos and shorts every week.